Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome everybody to Wasak Engineering and Survey. Today I am going to discuss how to change the background color and crosshair color. Before lecture I have told you how to change the size of crosshair and tick box. Let's start. First of all, OP, this is a command for option. Enter, go to display and come here down, colors, click on colors, come here, uniform background, select uniform background, and now the selected color is black. I want to change it to red color. I will select here red, apply and close, apply, OK. Now the color of background has changed. I want to change the color of crosshair. Again enter OP, click on display, click on colors, select here crosshairs and select the color of crosshair. I would like to select here this color, apply and close, apply, OK. Now the color of crosshair has changed. I hope you have understand it. Please subscribe my channel for more updates for engineering and survey. Thanks for watching.